It's time for our new video, so get a pen and sit comfortably. Sorry, boring. What I meant was, it's time for our latest top tip, so grab that pen and lean forward now. Did that get your attention better? Phew, I nearly lost you there at the beginning, didn't I? Good job I know how to use emotive language to draw you back in. This video will teach you all about emotive language, what it is, how to create it, and when to use it. It's also accompanied by a fantastic AI tutor activity, which is available to subscribers of my platform. You can find the link to my platform in the description below. Your AI tutor will guide you through 10 example sentences, encouraging you to make them sound more emotive by giving you precise instructions and great feedback. I really encourage you to try it out. It massively helps you to improve your skills. Emotive language is any wording that aims to get an emotional response from the reader or listener. This type of language can stir feelings such as happiness, anger, sadness, sympathy, or excitement. Now, if you think about it in those terms, you quickly realise that all kinds of techniques can be emotive. A great metaphor or simile could make a listener feel something. A well-chosen rhetorical question or a powerful use of hyperbole or repetition, as we've seen in other videos in this series, can certainly stir feelings in a listener. So in fact, emotive language covers a wide range of other techniques. But for this video, we're going to focus on the ways of making your language more emotive, which we have not covered in other videos. And that is by using better adjectives, adverbs, nouns, and verbs. Nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs are often called the information words because they carry the main information of any sentence. Let's think about the information that this sentence carries. OK, I understand what's going on. I've got the key information in those nouns, that verb, that adjective, that adverb, but I don't really feel anything when I read that. It's boring. Let's emote. Ah, now I feel something. Suddenly that student is young and a hero, making me feel their importance and excitement of their situation. Instead of walking quickly, they're dashing eagerly, which passes on to me a sense of urgency and energy. The school has become an academy, which is a grander word connected to the ancient Greeks and sounding more awe-inspiring. And the day's lessons have metamorphosed into the daily adventure, making learning sound like an exciting challenge. Suddenly, some simple information has become much more exciting to read about. Don't you want to read on now? I do. That's how we use emotive nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs to draw our reader in. Of course, you don't always want to be emotive. If you're a police officer writing up a report about a crime, it's your job to be factual. If you're a doctor describing an injury, you've also just got to state the facts. Imagine a doctor who likes to emote. "I'm terribly sorry, sir, but this horrific injury is going to take a lifetime to recover from." Who wants to hear that? That would be awful. But when it comes to writing an engaging story, trying to persuade someone with your speech, or grabbing the attention of your audience in a TikTok video or a news article headline, then release those emotions in your audience by pepping up your nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs to the max. Control how your audience feels. Make them empathise, sympathise or react passionately with emotive language. Love this video and subscribe to the channel to find out when I post the next video in this fabulous series, Rhetoric with Robin.